Welcome to Otisam Mathematics. In this video, I'm going to look at the likely examination questions on function. I've already done all the concepts. So I'm going to show you some of the probable questions that you may get in exams. The functions g, f and g are f such that x maps to 3x plus 2 and g such that x squared minus 1, where x is a real number. Find the composite function g of f, that is f followed by g. B, a function h such that x maps to px plus q, where p and q are positive constants, such that f o g o h of x is equal to 3x squared plus 2x plus 11. Find the values of p, k. I are the two sets of this. Okay, so let's start with f of x is equal to 3x plus 2, and then g of x is equal to x squared minus 1. First, we have to find golf. That is a part. G O f. Now this is the same as g of f of x. So we are going to put the function f in g. And this is the same as g. What is the function f? 3x plus 2. So we go back to the function g. Wherever we see x, we replace it by this expression. So which is the same as 3x plus 2 all squared minus 1. So we expand, making 3x all squared will be 9x squared, 2 times 3x, 6x times 2, we have 12x plus 4 minus 1. So we have 9x squared plus 12x, 4 minus 1 is 3. Plus 3. Let's go back to the second one. H of x is pxq. So the function f of x is 3x plus 2. G of x is x squared minus 1. And then h of x is px plus q. Now we have to find the values of p and q. If f g of h of f of x is equal to 3x squared plus 12x plus 11. Yes. Now, these are three functions. It's the same thing. So we work from behind. And this one, f o g of h of f. So we first look at g. We find g o h, which is g of h of x first. And which is g of px plus q. So we have px plus q all squared minus 1. Then we simplify. P squared x squared plus 2pqx. And then we square this one plus q squared minus 1. We then find f of g of h of x. So which is f of g o of h will be px squared x squared plus 2pqx plus q squared minus 1. So we go back to f of x. So f of x, which is 3 into bracket p squared x squared plus 2pqx plus q squared minus 1 plus 2. That is g of x, 3x plus 2. So we have 3p squared x squared plus 6pqx plus 3q squared minus 3 plus 2. And this is the same as 3pqx squared plus 6pqx plus 3q squared minus 3, so plus 2, and this is 3p squared x squared plus 6pq x plus 3q squared minus 3 plus 2 is giving us what? We were told that f g h of x is the same as 3x squared plus 12x plus 11. So this implies that 3p squared x squared plus 6pq x plus 3q squared minus 1 is equal to 3x squared plus 12x plus 11. So this is quadratic equation. We compare terms in x squared and then terms in x and then the constant. So when you look at the x squared, comparing the terms, we have 3p squared is equal to 3. So divide both sides by 3. It implies that p squared is equal to 1. So p will be equal to plus or minus square root of 1. So p is equal to plus or minus 1. Now let's go back and check the question. We were told that p and q are positive constant. So if p is a positive constant, therefore p is equal to 1. And then comparing terms in x, this is x, this is x. So 6pq will be equal to 12. And when you divide both sides by 6, we have pq is equal to 2. But our p is equal to 1. So we have p 1 times q is equal to 2. Therefore, our q is equal to 2. So p is equal to 1, q is equal to 2. Let's look at the last. So we have to find the truth set of this. That's the last aspect. So the truth set of f equal to 2 plus g of x. So let's go back. We know this is 3x squared plus 12x plus 11 is equal to 2 plus. What about GOF? GOF or GOF as 9x squared plus 12x plus 3. That is GOF. So this 12 will cancel to 12. So we have 3x squared plus 11 is equal to 9x squared plus 5. So let's group the like terms. 3x squared minus 9x squared is equal to 5 minus 11. So this is the same as minus 6x squared is equal to minus 6. So we can bring this one to this side, making 6 minus 6x squared is equal to 0. Now to solve this, let's bring 6 out. So 1 minus x squared is equal to 0. So we divide both sides by 6. We have 1 minus x squared equal to 0. So this implies that this is difference of two squares. You have 1 minus x times 1 minus 1 plus x is equal to 0. So from quadratics, this implies that 1 minus x is equal to 0 implies 1 is equal to 1 plus x is equal to 0 implies x is equal to minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 and then 1. But we were told to find the truth set. So we need to write it in truth set form. X such that x is equal to minus 1. Thank you very much, viewers, for watching this video. If you still have not subscribed, can you click on the subscribe button? You can share with your friends. You can give your comment. If you don't understand anything, you can ask me and I will respond to you.